This is a complex inequality, and the first step is to break it into two separate inequalities. The first thing to do is to bring this 2x minus 6 or minus 2x minus 6 down and keep what's on the left just as it is. And then on the right, we'll do the same thing, but we'll keep what's on the right. So it'll be minus 2x minus 6 is less than minus 6. And so let's start by solving the one on the left. And I'll do it in red. It'll be, we'll add 6 to both sides. When you do that, you get negative 14 is less than negative 2x. We'll divide by negative 2, and when we do, we're going to have to flip the sign of the inequality. So we'll get a positive 7 and a positive x. But it'll say x is less than 7. Alright, so we'll go over to our number line. X is less than 7. Here's our number line. And we're going to find, well, let's say 7 is right here. And so it says x is less than 7, so we'll have an open circle, and it'll be going left. The other part of the inequality, I'll solve in blue. So we'll add 6 to both sides, and we'll get negative 2x is less than 0. When I divide by this negative 2x, even though there's a 0 on the other side, most people would stop right here and say, well, x is less than 0, but it's not. Because when I divide by that negative 2, the sign flips. So it's actually x is greater than 0. And so when I plot it, x is greater than 0. Let's go back over to our inequality. X is greater than 0. Let's say that these are 2s, so let's say this is, well, here, I kind of screwed that up a little bit. Let's say that this is 7. Let's say that this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and like zeros right here. It would be x is open circle and greater than 0. So the solutions to the inequality are where these two overlap. Because it's a double inequality, the word and is implied, and the solutions all fall between here and here. And just keep in mind that it's not including 0 and not including 7. So a solution to this inequality, for example, would be 0.1. That would be a solution. Or, for example, 6.9. That would be a solution, but not 0 or 7.